Hi there, I'm Beth and I'm here with a pretty quick video for you today of a really exciting unboxing. Now this is a big first for me. I've had someone contact me who wanted to give me a custom Blythe doll. I said, whoa, no, it's too much, but she wanted to give me a custom doll as a thank you for the tutorials and the patterns and advice that I give out on the channel. And I was blown away. I said, send me dolly mail, that's lovely, but it doesn't have to be a custom doll. But she insisted, and so here we are today. I have her parcel and I want to tell you all about her. This is from SkyPieBlythe over on Instagram. She also sells on eBay. She said, you really don't have to share my socials or anything, but I really want to. She sells custom Blythes and bits and bobs on eBay. Also SkyPieBlythe over there. And Kellie makes just lovely custom dolls. She's done Wednesday Addams, she's done like a Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas doll, lots of different. The thing that I really particularly like are her demon dolls. She's using Milliput to add ears and horns onto these dolls. Really amazing. Definitely check out her Instagram. Some beautiful stuff there. So I know who I have received because she told me. She sent me a picture, but obviously I haven't seen her in real life yet. So thank you, Kellie. This is amazing. Definitely a first. I'm very excited. So I will go ahead and get into her now. Here we go. And I have to say, apart from the lovely petite Blythe that Marna had sent me, this is the first time that I have a custom from someone else as well. So it's doubly exciting. A little note. Whoop! Oh my goodness. Cards flying out. So here we go. You get a better look at her name there, SkyPieBlythe. There we go. So a little note from her there. Thank you so much for all the advice I got from your videos. I don't think my dolls would be what they are without following some of the tutorials. I've included Morgana as a thank you. The white dress she is wearing was handmade by me, my first doll-sized dress. Thank you, SkyPieBlythe. To change the eyes, pull the cord horizontally, absolutely. Also, please don't feel obliged to share my Insta. I'm happy just knowing one of my girls has a home with you. Oh, thank you. That is so sweet. Gosh, we got, oh my goodness, we got other things in here. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Gonna get her out of here. So as you can see, she has got, oh, one of her ears has popped off there, but she does have, oh my gosh, she has got modified horns and ears. Pop that there. Oh wow. Let me pop this ear back on. So let's have a look at her. I absolutely love the colours. Oh, she's got such soft, fluffy eyelashes. Try and get her nicely in the overhead there. She's got lovely beaded pull cords. Oh, they're gorgeous. I'm trying to build up a better collection of beads for when I'm doing my own customs, because I don't think I have many good beads for pull cords. She's got gorgeous little shoes, and look at this dress. This was her first doll-sized dress. She showed me she normally does bigger human size sewing like many people do, and yeah, she's really good. So she's done really well here. Now let's see. Oh, I want to look at everything all at once. So we've got her signature at the back, SkyPieBlythe. This year of her horns. Oh, look at this. So she's got little lilac matching horns. Just love the combination, the ears and the horns together. That is so cute. Gosh. She's got a lovely little bow. She's got a little lace trim on her dress. She's all sort of black and white. These cool trainers. She's got lovely socks. Gosh, I'm really impressed. Alright, so she's got blue and green side-facing eyes. Oh, she's got lovely lilac eyelids. And she's got sort of blue, and there's like little bits of lilac and yellow in there. Lovely eyes, front-facing. Oh, gorgeous. A lovely aqua blue side-facing there. And wow, oh, I love these. And green, blue and lilac with a little yellow in there. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. Look at these eyelids. Pearlescent lilac. Lovely soft blushing on her face. Oh, you've done so well. Oh my gosh, Kelly, thank you so much. But we do have more in this box as well. So I can see. Oh, how nice. Oh, so we have some extra accessories for her. So nice. So we've got hands. Always need hands. I love to give them different gestures. And we've got, this is gorgeous. So I don't know if this was a purchased outfit. This is what she was wearing in the pictures that I'd seen already. So she has this gorgeous, she's going to be wearing this as well. I think having a little swap about. She's got a lovely jumper with a skirt sewn into it, which is really clever. I like to do that. That's lovely. And oh, we've got a little rainbow high bag. I do not have this one, so I'm happy to have a new bag. But she's got a lovely light pink bag as well to go with her. And then this as well. I believe that's the last thing in there. Yeah, everything's padding. Wow. This chair as well. Oh my goodness. So we have a swivel chair for her to sit in, which is just wonderful. Look at that. How cool is that? So we've got a very cute, I do not have any chairs like this, so that is so cute. A lovely chair for her to sit in as well. Oh, just amazing. Thank you once again. Definitely go and check her out on eBay, on Instagram, and anywhere else you can find her. Absolutely go like those pictures and those customs. I will take a few lovely final shots of Morgana, my first demon girl. I did ask Kelly as well if she wouldn't mind, since the tutorials inspired her and she's been using modified ears and horns. Obviously you have probably seen my recent fairy with her customized pointy ears, but I was like, I want to try horns as well, definitely. So maybe for Halloween this year I'll have some sort of demon girl or something like that. And she said she didn't mind at all. So I'll definitely be inspired by you right back, Kelly. So thank you again. But yes, please stick around to the end. Thanks to everyone for watching, and thanks to all my patrons and subscribers, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye.